Dali's owners reached an agreement with Baltimore City last night, but a hearing this morning could not be avoided.
As Fox 45's Jessica Babb explains, the judge had plenty to say in court.
Inside the U.S. District Court of Maryland, attorneys packed the courtroom after last-minute notice that 8 crew members from the Dali cargo ship were set to leave the country and go home to India and Sri Lanka. Attorneys for the city of Baltimore and Damon Davis, another person who's filed a claim against the owner and manager of the Dali and has a vested interest in this case, requested an emergency hearing.
We filed this motion originally for obvious reasons. We were concerned that the men would be spirited away, never to be seen again.
Worried the crew members would leave the country before they could be questioned. William Hughes Murphy, an attorney for Davis, says,
"We're happy that the court granted a prompt hearing, and that in the meantime we were able to work out an agreement with the other side."
The city of Baltimore and attorneys for Grace Ocean Private Limited and Synergy Marine Group, the companies connected to the Dali, reached an agreement on Wednesday evening. The city then withdrew their request for a hearing. That agreement saying the crew members in question will be deposed in either London or another place they agree on no sooner than November 2024.
The promise that was made was that these people will be produced when we ask them to be produced. And the other side is taking full responsibility and is guaranteeing.
But according to the judge, James Bradar, attorneys for Davis didn't file to withdraw their request for a hearing until this morning, half an hour before the emergency hearing started. With other cases postponed in his courtroom to accommodate this emergency hearing, Judge Bradar, seemingly annoyed, questioned why the paperwork wasn't filed sooner. He made his expectations to attorneys clear, saying he wanted this case handled efficiently with attention to detail and for lawyers to bring their A game.
We're happy with the way things worked out because now we're going to have an orderly process, and the court has been given the power under the agreement to make sure that the process goes as agreed. So everything's back on track, and we're happy about that.
Murphy says they filed as quickly as they could, with some negotiations happening Thursday morning.
There's so much at stake here. This, of course, may be the most expensive maritime case in the history of the world. And so everybody's paying close attention to the details so that we can unravel all aspects of this and come up with a just result.
While attorneys for the city of Baltimore and the owner and manager of the Dali didn't want to talk, a spokesperson from Synergy Marine Group says
crew members have been participating and fully cooperating from day one with the authorities.
In Baltimore, Jessica Babb, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.